how to withdraw Solana from GMGN. So first thing you want to do is you want to go to the top right and then select over here to your wallet address, and you want to press on this arrow key, and then it's going to open a menu that looks like this. From here, make sure to select on switch TG login, and this is basically going to open up the GMGN bot on Telegram. So let's go ahead and press on that, and let's press on open Telegram desktop. And obviously, if you don't have Telegram installed on your desktop, then you will need to go ahead and install it. So whenever we do press on start, it is going to give us the addresses of all the different wallets that we do have to trade. So as you're able to tell, we do have a Solana wallet over here. We also have one for Ethereum, BSB, and Tron as well. All right, so from here, you want to go ahead and select on the wallet address that you want to withdraw funds from. So let's say we wanted to withdraw funds from this wallet. So what I need to do is I need to go ahead and select over here where it says trading bot, and then it's going to bring me to like a separate chat on Telegram, and then it's going to open up a menu that looks like this. From here, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and press on wallet, then it's going to open up this menu. We have the wallet address right over here, and we do have the balance. But guys, what we need to do from here is we need to select on set withdrawal address. So basically what you want to do from here is you want to enter in the wallet address that you want the funds to go to. So for this video, I'm going to be using Phantom Wallet, but obviously if you do have another wallet that does support Solana, that will also get the job done. But for this video, I'm just going to be working with Phantom Wallet. So I'm just going to quickly log in. All right, now that you're in Phantom Wallet, go ahead and select on the assets that you're trying to receive. So again, we're trying to receive Solana, so I would go ahead and select on that. Then I would go ahead and press on this option that does say receive. And then I'm just going to go ahead and press on copy like so. Then I'm going to open up Telegram and then enter in the wallet address right over here and just enter in the chat, and there you go. It will say that set withdrawal address is successful. So basically whenever I do Solana using the GMGN bot, then it will actually go to this wallet that we did just put in. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.